This video is to record part 1 preparation and the second task, which is to create a Trello card for each of the Refix clients. Now, the purpose of doing this is because Trello has ability to allow you take off along the process. When we do the refix, each of the clients probably at different stage. If we use our brain to remember, it's going to be really hard, and we could potentially make mistake. So in Trello, we actually have a template board. If you go to your Trello and you go to your board, you should be able to see a templates called templates, and in here basically that has templates for all different purposes. The reason we put there because it's ongoing process, repeated, and there's a number of things we need to cover, so it's become a hard gate, so it's really hard to make mistake. So in here we go to the list called template refix clients. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this card. So refix process version 3 is a card. It could be version 4, version 5. We change it all the time. If we have update, well, rather than delete it, we create a new version. So don't worry about the version number, but the card name is refix process. Okay, so you can see there are 21 checklist item, and from time to time it could increase or decrease because we are going to improve our process. So what we do is we click this card to open, and on the right hand side there's a copy button. So click copy, and make sure we only want the checklist. It shouldn't be other thing, but sometimes we could have comments, other thing. We don't really want to copy that, just the checklist. And the board, so in this case at the moment it's Jean look after the refix, so we choose Jean's board. And yeah, so under her board there's a list called refix February, so it could be March, April, but there's a list just for refix. Okay, then now we can just create this card, click that, and then we go to Jean's board, and in here probably the last one. Oh, actually no, sorry, it's a wrong list, so it should be a list called refix Feb. Okay, so where's over one? So the last one. So what we're going to do is by the way, you should have an empty list here because we are doing the new fortnight stuff, but at the moment, because this is the training video, we're still working on the previous one. So in here, so what we're going to do is change the name to client's name, and then you can just copy this card and change it to another name and another name and another name until you have one card for each with his clients. The beauty of that is every client will have the same checklist, so we can just take along the way. So this client could be just complete part 1, another client could be in part 2, so we can instantly identify if we need to where we're at with the refix process for each refix clients.